Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope all is well. Kindly subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and also share my video. In today's video, we are going to do a two-side ponytail that can be styled in two different ways with something different I thought about. That's a double knotless braid in front. So this is one hairstyle I really like. So to begin with, I just divided my hair into two sections. That is dividing the middle section into two, since it's going to be a double side ponytail. So after dividing the middle section, I went ahead to do a little division in front. That's dividing the front section that will be braiding the knotless braid. So you can choose to part that section into any shape you prefer, but I went in for something triangular, which I thought would be nicer. And I guess at the end I was right about this. So this is what I had after parting the front section of my hair. I'm just going to hold the rest of the hair. After doing that, I just smoothen the part of the hair I'll be braiding with gel, since it's going to be a knotless braid. As I said earlier, I'll be doing a knotless braid at the front section. So I'm going to start with my hair, then put extension in it bit by bit. I'm not really a professional when it comes to knotless braid. I think this is the second time trying this braid out, and it's kind of turned out nice. So I'm almost done with my first braid. I didn't want anything lengthy, so when I got to my desired length, I just tied a little knot there, then used the gel on the second part to braid. And I also sprayed a little got2b glue spray on my hair. Using the got2b spray is optional though, but I wanted something that could hold my hair firm for some time. And my hair is also a little bit stubborn, so in case you have a stubborn hair like my own, then you can also decide to use the got2b spray. Finally done braiding the knotless braid at the front section of my hair. Now let's focus on the ponytail side. So before adding the hair extension to my ponytail, I applied a little gel on my hair to give it that smooth texture, and also sprayed it with a little got2b spray. As I said earlier, using the got2b spray is optional though, but if you want to get that smooth and sleek texture, then I would advise you to use the got2b glue spray on your hair. After applying and spraying all those stuff into your hair, make sure you use your tail comb or your brush to even the gel in your hair, the gel in the got2b spray. After applying the gel and spraying your hair with the got2b spray, the best thing to do is to dry the hair. Make sure the hair dries so that it can hold firm. Or you can use a hair dryer to dry it if you want it to dry fast, or just leave it like that to dry. After the smoothing and everything, I went ahead to braid my hair in a way that I can wrap the extension around it easily. So I went ahead to do one side off camera, so I'm going to use the other side to show you how I went about it. The first thing I did was to apply the bonding glue to my hair extension. Then after applying it, I just wrap it around my hair from the tip of my hair upwards. I know pretty well some people may be wondering if the bonding glue will have any effect on their hair. The bonding glue won't harm your hair nor stick your hair together, and it won't cause any breakages in your hair, and it's not even going to last forever. But when wrapping your hair, you need to take your time, relax, and then just wrap it around it. Don't be in a haste, otherwise you might not get the desired ponytail you like or you want. After wrapping, you can seal it up with your got2b glue spray, and also take some part of the hair and wrap it around it. Then seal it up with the got2b glue spray. So this is what I have for my ponytail. Now let's focus on the knotless braids in front. That's something my roommate calls cat catfish. Yeah, that's how she calls it, catfish. So I'm just going to add a little beads to it to make it look more nicer. You can also decide to add a little bit curls to the end to make it look unique. That's one style I'm thinking of doing probably the next time I do this hairstyle. So after adding the beads to the knotless braid, I dipped the knotless hair into hot water to make it relax a little bit, which I did off camera. It's optional though, you can decide to dip it or not to dip it in hot water, but I just wanted to see how it look, so that's what I had. So this is my final look. I couldn't take some pictures at it because I had other stuff to do. You can decide to add some accessories to it to make it look nicer, for instance a hairband. I actually took this picture the next day. That was when I was going out. I had somewhere to go, so I took this picture. Since I didn't take a picture the day I did the hair, that was the day before. You can actually decide to wrap this hair in a band form. So this is the band, this is how I wrapped it. So with this style, you can decide to add some hair clips to it to give it a nicer look. I think it will look really nicer with some hair clips. So these were some of my favorite pictures I took of the hairstyle. Hope this video was really helpful. Kindly subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and also share this video. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.